Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you some updates I have made to my bathroom, my guest bathroom. And the first update is I added some contact paper to the countertops. Yes, I wanted to see if I like the marble look, so I went with the contact paper. That way it's less expensive if I decide I don't like it. And it's been up for about a year. And I also added it to the floor, and I'll have a link in my description box. I did a 6-month update on how the contact paper is holding up on my floor, and I'll have that video in my description box. And I am a lover of black and white, as you can see. So I want to thank Karen Jeter of Everyday Living with Karen Jeter for sending me that beautiful candle. And these towels came from the Dollar Tree, one of my favorite stores. The lantern came from Aldi's for $3.99. And everything else came from the Dollar Tree. And this cute little pumpkin came from Target. It was $3. And this sign came from Aldi. It is two-sided. I paid $9.99 for it. So I guess you would say you paid $5 for each side, each picture. So this is the other side. I would DIY that and have it to match my decor sometime next year. For right now, I'm gonna keep it on the Home Sweet Home side. So this curtain came from Amazon. I have a link in the description box. I'm an Amazon affiliate, and I will get a commission if you click on that link. Thank you in advance. And so that's it. I just wanted to stop by and show you some updates, give you some inspiration if you're in the into redecorating on a budget. That's what my channel is about, budget friendly decor. I like to buy things on sale. So if that's something you're interested in, click that red subscribe button and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. I thought about painting these cabinets, but I still hadn't painted them. And I added some new knobs. They came from Hobby Lobby. So that's it. I just wanted to stop by and share with you some budget friendly updating I did for my guest bathroom. And don't forget to check out the video where I give you my opinion of the contact paper. So that's it. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some things you want. Thank you.